Hi, my name is Luke, and this is how to force close Internet Explorer. If you're experiencing problems with your Internet Explorer browser, either due to installation issues or potentially having a virus, one way to force close the browser is by hitting Control, Alt, and Delete on the keyboard. Once the prompt appears, navigate down to Start Task Manager. Here you can see Applications and Processes tabs at the top. Go to Applications, click on Internet Explorer, and then click End Task. This will send a kill system to the Internet Explorer process and make sure that it is forced down. To make certain that there's no processes still running, go to Processes and look for any that say iExplorer.exe. If they're still running, highlight them and then hit End Process. However, make sure that you do not delete Explorer.exe, for this is the Windows process. And that's it.